24 photographs that can drive anyone crazy. Sometimes, the things that annoy us the most are those that are barely noticeable. Hard as you try, it's not always possible to unsee something you wish you never laid eyes on. Are you one of those people whose desire for perfection often protests against things like a white shirt covered in dirt, a sticker that won't come off of a package, or a massive paint spill? Brightside has collected a list of photos that will definitely be running around your mind for the rest of the day. 1. Looks like this guy didn't even notice that something was wrong. 2. One wrong move and it'll be on the floor. 3. My dad used the regular hairbrush on our white cat. 4. That irritating moment when a paper towel won't come out. 5. This is how the shower in a hotel works. 6. My girlfriend's toothpaste. 7. Thankfully, they're not white. 8. One of my chickens laid an egg and tied it with a bow. 9. Who on earth invented these stickers? 10. This is my girlfriend's cutlery. Am I being too critical? 11. Who eats butter like this? 12. Who does that? 13. I just wanted to open the bottle. 14. As if renovating isn't already tough enough. 15. The cooking process has just become twice as hard. 16. No matter how carefully I use my headphones, this always happens to them. 17. I asked my son to put the drinks in the fridge. 18. Why do girls with long hair always sit in front of me? 19. You can cut it like that. 20. I should pay more attention to my work lunches from now on. 21. It's so small but it makes my whole body cringe. 22. There's only one reason why I hate rainy days. 23. My dad's workshop. 24. Don't watch it if you've already had enough. Which of these photos did you find the most alarming? If you have any similar photos of your own, share them with us in the comments section below.